Hi, welcome back to my channel. Soaring here. I'm not gonna do a page for this video of my envelope journal, but I will be doing a page soon, and I will upload that video. So make sure that you hit that bell so you'll be notified. What I did want to share is a few baskets. I have about 6 baskets of these. I'm gonna move them over. I'm trying to organize my craft studio, and I'm tackling it one section at a time. When I moved in, I just kind of put everything in its place, sewing in the sewing area, mixed media in the sewing, mixed media, paper, sewing and beads in one area, and so forth. And I'm speaking for my island. I had my husband build an island. If you look through my videos, you'll see a walkthrough of when I first moved in. I will do another walkthrough when I'm kind of done organizing stuff. So I have difficulty because I like to see my stuff. I really do. And I like to be prepared. When I throw my books together, I like to have embellishments done already. I don't want to make embellishments. So what I do is I usually normally set myself up. So that's what I wanted to share. I found these in the Dollar Tree, and they're baskets, and it comes with the lid. Most baskets in the Dollar Tree don't have lids unless they're, cookie, plastic little bins, So when I saw these, I just went kind of crazy, and I bought 6 of them for the space that I wanted. So now I'm going to show you what I put in each one. So for $1, 2 pieces, you can't go wrong, okay? So this way, I make my embellishments, put them in my basket. As I see that they're going low, the most things that I use, I can redo them. So in this one, I have stamped stamps for envelopes. So this is an envelope basket. So here I have, and these are just starter envelopes. They're not complete, so I just started them with something, or I left them plain like this one, so as when I pick it up, I could either add or completely build on one. So that's what they look like. I want to show you the ones with the stamps. These are little mini tiny ones, and I put little stamps on these. Can you see them? Yeah, I hope so. And some of them I just did this. Let me dig in here. I have little ones that were already pre-made. I just kind of stuck them in here. If I can open them. Oh geez, this is really hard cardstock. So even using these as a template, it's excellent. I have these, regular ones. And I'll show you some homemade from pages and envelopes. These, I kind of just started them. These are envelopes, and they were folded in half, made into pockets. This one has 3 pockets, front, here, and the back, when you glue it down. These are made from pages, little pockets. So those are made from pages. And then these here, oh, that's another homemade one with tags. Here's another 2. And these are just from pages from, the books that I repurpose. I do art journals, but I really use actual books. I'll do a refresher and I'll bring a video of that too, because I have a few. I have a sewing, my favorite one, which is a sewing one. I'll do a walkthrough on that one, and I'll show you what, for my new subscribers, what those are. But see how simple, and they're already made. This is a regular one, just in case I want a regular one. These are side envelopes, but you put the little tag and you write whatever it is. So, you know, you reach out, you need an envelope, and I made all sizes. So they go from big, like you said, like you saw, regular, to really tiny ones in the bag. And these tiny ones, really tiny ones. So yeah, they're in there. That's my first basket. The second one is this one. It sort of looks empty, but trust me, there's a whole lot of embellishments. I love buttons, and I have so many buttons. And so I sat down, and I love this because I can watch TV in the evening and it just kind of relaxes me. So these are several different options that you can do, and you can stick this on anything, really, you know, on the page itself, on look at that one, on an envelope. Sky's the limit. Lace, you know, I use lace. I use this is twine, that thick twine. I use that. Just plain ones. And these again, here's with resin, little, here, I'm trying to get the webbing from the glue gun, ribbon, and I want to show you even paper flowers. You can do paper flowers. In this one, I kind of stuck a piece of fabric to that right there. Let me see if I have another fabric that you can see what I'm talking about. Paper clip. See it? So, and they're ready if I want something with buttons. The next one is, I hope that doesn't fall. The next one is inchies. The inchies, I'll use the same method. These are just stickers or sayings, mini, this shouldn't be there. This must have fallen out. Oh, they're stuck together. So see how they're not completely done. They're just starters, and you know, you can do almost anything with these. See? And I'll show you a few more. This one is with, has bling. This one here has a charm. See them? Wooden pieces. So basically anything that you want to put on them. So I don't even know if that's an inch. It's probably an inch and a half. I don't know. But those are ready to go if I wanted them. And then on this one, this are my tags. I have large tags, so they're not finished. I can go in with paint or gesso or whatever it may be, of all kinds, and plain ones. I can go in here, coloring ones, and just unfinished ones, and just grab, that shouldn't be there, grab whatever it is that I actually need, even shaker ones. So see how nice it is to just come in here and grab a tag, you know, and just create with them. So this is my tags, and then these are my little tiny ones in here. These are really, really small tags. And that's an envelope that shouldn't be there. Must have snuck in there. That envelope. Okay, and then these, I know, I went crazy on this. I was addicted to doing this. Plus, there was some store-bought, but clothespins. So there's clothespins in here. This one, I'm gonna need that. There's paper clips. So get paper clips. This one fell off something. So any theme, shakers. See, it was plain and then I kind of added that. So bowl ones, but these are store-bought. These are made here. These are plain, so I can just, those are Christmas ones. There's like all kinds in here, and even fabric ones. Just has the the webbing from the glue. So you get the idea, right? So these are all my paper clips, my paper clips and clothespins. So if I want anything, I'll dig in there, or you know, send in goodie bags or swaps, whatever. It's just, they're just made, and you don't have to go through that. And my last one are my cards. This and my envelopes are my favorite ones. I like the tags, but this was kind of, I mean, I wanted to make more. I have a whole bunch of plain ones with in pictures, so these I have in here so I can go off from. And here I'll show you some of the ones that I made, like these little cards. Open and you can finish them. I did that one. There's a Thanksgiving or Halloween or whatever rocks your socks. So this one here went to the extreme of putting little tags in there. I love these because you can come up with so much. And in the middle, so I did a little pad, and these, believe it or not, right here, those are nail decorating things that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I decided that they look cute as brads. This is a really tiny tag, so that looks like a book. This one I turned into kind of like an envelope. So they're like mini journal pages. I just love anything mini. Here's another one that you open up this way. Wait. Oh no, don't tell me you got glued in. Give me a minute, because I want to show you this one. Okay. It just hasn't broken. And yeah. It got glued in there, but I fixed it. So this one has a little pocket here, and then page in the back, and then I sold this one. So you can do something like that, or you can do, I went to Walmart and I found these mini tags, and so I can finish it if I wanted to. Some are completely finished, some are not. Let me show you a few more. Look at this one. Is that so cute? And you pull it out and you put it, and they're mini. I believe they are 3 inches, I think, by 4 opened. So 4 4 in length and 3.5 inches, I think, lengthwise. But next time I do my next page, I'll pull one of these out and I'll give you the exact measurements for these. But they're really easy. I mean, you can do them any size you want. It doesn't have to be the size that this one, I just kind of put a little piece of twine there and I closed it up. You can open it, literally. I'll show you. This one, come on. When I'm filming, right? Because this, I opened it and closed it several times, creating it. And then there's a tag here and a pocket. So, you know, they're just starter ones. So these are all miniature cards. I can go on and show you all of them. Oh my gosh, one more. And this one is like one of my favorites. And then you open it up and it has really tiny little envelopes that you can write down. I mean, if you're gonna write this little, but it just kind of looks cute. So I still have to make a whole bunch more because I'm not satisfied. And then when I was going through my stuff, I found these beautiful pictures that I can make cards with. Oh, look at that. For a journal, for a sewing journal. And then these are like just hello little cards. But I don't have to leave them like that. I can cover them and do something with them. Gesso them, paint them, I don't know. And then these are really cute. These are smaller. And these just open this way. So yeah. Oh, and then I just need these. These are the ones with the Walmart little tags. So if you have a Walmart near you, go over there and get them. I mean, they're so good for any type of embellishment. Or you can make yourself. Okay, so yeah, this was my tip. I hope that you enjoy this and somehow, you know, I inspired you. So my good advice to you is go discover, explore, and inspire someone else too. So remember to hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a video. I'm gonna definitely try to, even if it's a small 15-minute video, I'm gonna try to bring something to you once a week. Hopefully I can do more than that. I'm not gonna promise. I live a hectic life. And I also wanted to ask you to subscribe. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't. If I inspired you in any way, please share my videos with someone else that you think might like the idea. And yeah, because we're here to inspire one another and to give each other ideas. I know sometimes I get like really like stuck and I watch someone else's video and they inspire me. They, you know, spark the flame, and here I am creating. So anyway, have a great evening, because it's evening on my end. If it's morning on yours, good morning or good afternoon. But all in all, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.